Following a Lemon Lawyer's automobile buying guidelines can make buying a new or used car less of a game of luck. These suggestions are intended to provide you, the consumer, with the knowledge you need to make an informed decision about which vehicle is the most trustworthy for your budget. Hello, and welcome back to the channel Alpha Law Firm. If you're new to the site, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. Lemons are cars with manufacturing flaws that compromise its safety, usability, or value. If you encounter a major problem with your car within a short amount of time after purchasing it, you have bought a lemon. Varying states have different definitions of what makes a car a lemon, but the majority of them revolve around the vehicle's safety, market worth, and ability to drive without problems. In 1975, legislation was passed requiring all automobile warranties to be simply intelligible and entirely open to prevent consumers from being duped into buying damaged vehicles. Lemons can be found in both new and used cars, but they are more difficult to discover in used cars due to anomalies in the vehicle history. Thus, it is critical to do complete research before purchasing a used vehicle. Because used cars have more history and less legal protection in most jurisdictions, you have a higher chance of purchasing a lemon. With so many different car models on the road in California, it might be difficult to know how to avoid purchasing a lemon. According to the Department of Transportation, 11.5 million cars were sold in the United States in 2020. A total of 150,000 new autos are considered lemons. That's quite a large quantity of lemons. There are a few things you can do to lessen your chances of purchasing a lemon. The following are some of the steps you can take. First and foremost, do not rush into a purchase. When you buy a car, you're probably buying either the most expensive or second most expensive item in your life, aside from your home. While it is exciting to acquire a new or used car, you should not do it impulsively. Allowing the fragrance of a new car or a fresh coat of wax to distract you from problems that can be avoided is a mistake. Don't judge a car only by its gleaming appearance, just as you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. The most crucial step is to conduct research. There are numerous websites where you can shop for a new or used car. Nowadays, you may find websites that not only tell you the dealer's invoice price for a vehicle, but also provide quality control ratings and other consumer reviews for the same make and model. Check out some of these websites before going to the dealership, such as edmuds.com, kbb.com, consumerreports.org, or caranddriver.com. Knowing as much as you can about the vehicle you want to buy will not only help you choose a more reliable vehicle, but will also give you the leverage you need to negotiate a better deal. Remember to take the vehicle for a test drive. There is no substitute for test driving a car, whether it is new or used. For instance, you may discover that certain aspects of the vehicle simply do not appeal to you. You may also be able to avoid buying a vehicle that already has a flaw or nonconformity. Make sure, though, that your test drive isn't just for show. Tell the dealer that you wish to drive the vehicle not only on the dealer's authorized route, but also on the highway. To get a true sense of the car, drive it at different speeds and in different situations. Don't just take the dealer's word for it that the vehicle has been thoroughly inspected and approved. We see far too many cases of problems that occurred when the car was first driven off the lot. A simple test drive could have prevented the purchase of an automobile that was already showing signs of a problem. It's also a good idea to look into the title history of any owned car before buying it. Several consumer-friendly websites can supply you with information that has been recorded on any vehicle's title. For a modest price, and by entering the car's identification number, you can obtain information about a vehicle that has been recorded. This knowledge will aid you in avoiding purchasing a vehicle that has been in an accident, flooded, or had its odometer rolled back. While these websites are not infallible because they rely on other organizations for this information, they are a good place to start if you want to avoid making a terrible purchase. Remember to avoid purchasing a tricked-out vehicle. Many salesmen will boast about a vehicle's DVD player, upgraded radio system, unique wheels, and other features. Ensure that these accessories are supplied by the vehicle's manufacturer. If you don't, your car may develop electrical or other problems that aren't covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Every car manufacturer's warranty we've ever seen has a part that says problems caused by aftermarket or non-factory components are not covered. Hey there, pal. We hope you are enjoying this video so far. If so, please do not forget to click on the thumbs up button and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section down below. Returning to our list of suggestions, we urge you to inspect the car in daylight. Even the untrained eye can recognize obvious evidence of accident damage. Do your inspection, though, during the day. If you arrive at the showroom late at night, make sure you view the vehicle during daylight hours. Look for paint overspray on the moldings, headlamps, or wheel wells while doing so. Look for dents or anything that appears to be out of place. It's recommended to get another car if you see something that worries you. Remember that even new cars might have damage from being sent from the manufacturer or during a test drive. It's also a good idea to look into the warranty history of any owned automobile before buying it. Make sure you know the vehicle's repair history before you buy it, whether it's an owned Ford from a GM dealer or a car from a used car dealership. Every automobile manufacturer's dealership has a computer system that can look up a vehicle's warranty history report using its VIN. This report will detail all car repairs that were covered by the manufacturer's warranty, as well as vehicles that have experienced repeated or substantial problems. While a GM dealer will not be able to view a Ford vehicle's history record, they can make a phone call for you or put you in touch with someone who can. Don't let a car salesman sell you a car out knowing the vehicle's repair history. Just like an insurance company won't give you a life insurance policy without knowing your medical history. Also, be sure any used car is inspected by an independent mechanic. While a test drive and visual check should suffice before acquiring a new car, insist on having any used vehicle inspected by an independent mechanic. If the dealer refuses to let your mechanic evaluate the vehicle at the dealership or will only let you take it to an independent shop for a few hours, it's time to look for another location to buy your automobile. This independent inspection should be permitted by any reputable car dealer. You'll almost certainly have to split the fee for this, but the peace of mind is priceless. And it's no less necessary than having a home inspector evaluate your home before closing. Always keep in mind the warranty. Any new car you buy will come with a manufacturer's guarantee, which promises to rectify any flaws in materials or workmanship that occurred during the warranty period. Used autos, on the other hand, are a different story. If the dealer informs you the car is being sold as is, that means they don't trust it enough to stand behind it, and you're more likely to end up with a lemon. Make sure you get a written warranty from the dealer that covers the car for at least 90 days. The sale of this warranty will offer you not only the exact protection of what the dealer covers in writing, but also certain implied warranties under the law. Sellers and suppliers of consumer products are barred from disclaiming these implied assurances if they sign into a written warranty or service contract with you within 90 days of the sale, according to Section 2308 of the Federal Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act. These implied warranties ensure that your car is of the quality that you would expect from a vehicle similar to it, such as that it is fit for its intended use. If the dealer won't back up their vehicles with a written guarantee for even a short length of time, it's a sign that they don't trust the vehicle to bring you home. Finally, don't be afraid to invoke the lemon law. Even though the aforementioned tips can assist to reduce your chances of getting trapped with a lemon vehicle, not all lemons can be avoided. Frequently, an automobile will run flawlessly for years or thousands of miles before developing difficulties. Consumers who are stuck with lemon vehicles are protected by state and federal legislation if this happens. So, what should you do if you bought a lemon? It's critical to take the proper measures if you've been given a lemon. Make sure you take the car to the dealer or manufacturer for repairs so that the faults can be properly documented as part of the warranty. Keep track of all of your repair attempts and expenses. The next step is to contact Alpha Law Firm's Lemon Law attorneys. From start to finish, you'll be speaking with an attorney at Alpha Law Firm. We will assist you in selling your damaged automobile for cash. That's it for today's video. Remember that this is not legal advice and does not constitute attorney-client relationship. Call now to learn more. 323-51-LEMON 53666. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to be notified of every new upload. This is Alpha Law Firm, and we will see you in the next video.